Today we are going to make a detox drink in less than 2 minutes using our blender. No need of any juicer. All we need is 50 grams of beetroot, 25 grams of carrot, 50 grams of apple, and 5 grams of ginger. Let's get started. Add everything to a blender jar along with 1 cup of water and blend till it turns completely smooth. Next, we are going to pass it through a strainer that I have lined with an absorbent cloth. You can squeeze out as much juice as you can and your detox drink is ready. This detox drink is delicious and it is so good for you. So alright my friends, that's all for today. If you're on any of these different social media sites, I would love it if you follow me. And for written recipes, you can always visit my blog. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do it because I post exciting recipes every week. So see you next week. Bye-bye.